Happy Friday, everybody. The week's going by super fast. Football study hall was pretty productive this week. We had another quick tip. We started doing our first appointments, and they're going great. I like to think that the appointments are challenging, but most people will leave with having a positive experience. You come in, they're a little uncertain about what to expect, but we're just going through that monthly challenge. We just want to see your plan. I just want to be able to coach you through that. I want to be able to encourage you through that you're on the right track, that you're doing all the right things, or instruct you in just tweaking some parts of your plan here and there so that you have the best possible experience. So that's what those appointments are about. I believe I've got about 7 or 8 of you to go. So we'll be doing that next week. We had another quick tip that was super rushed, but we looked at note-taking, and it was the first introduction for you guys to our system for improvement. We're looking at how to, number one, identify good things that are going on with a particular task. In this case, it was note-taking. Identify strengths, identify any weaknesses. What are the problems? And then we started looking at, okay, what's causing the problems? What are the symptoms of the problem? And what are the factors that are causing that problem? And then what can I do to address either side of that? If there's something causing it, or if there's something that's happening after the fact, where can I improve, and what can I fix? And then you had a chance to brainstorm some of those ideas on how to improve your note taking. And you can see that this is going to be the system that we'll be using for every academic task you have and task that you have, and you're just going to be improving a little bit every day. And that's just going to lead to huge gains overall. And we're just going to be trying to work away at this, chip away at this month by month. What I wanted to quickly remind you guys about is just submitting your self-evaluations and also submitting those assignments. Instead of handing it in to me personally, so you have to print something off or scribble something up, just take a picture of it, save it as a PDF, and then submit it in eclass. I just want to quickly show you guys how to do that. So I'm just going to quickly jump on here. I'll put me down in the bottom corner here. We've got U of A homepage. We'll go to eclass, jump into eclass. Once we're in there, we go down to Golden Bears Football Study Hall. Got the logo. Scroll down. We're just in week 1's there. We'll close out week 1. Week 2, just talked about what we're going to be looking at. So just describing those appointments, and also observe, obsess, modify, and experiment with how you take notes. Out there was just a process for evaluating how we're doing in these tasks. So here's the actual assignment that we looked at. Here's the note-taking assignment that we can submit. So you just go to the submit page. Pretty straightforward. Jump in here and you'll be able to... little glitch there, we're back. Go down to the note-taking assignment, jump on. And if you've saved it as a PDF already, down here you see I've got a little PDF down here. This is my document. I can just come in here and add submission. You can see right now that it's overdue. That's not good. Click on add submission. And then you just ask for the file folder, and you can just drag it up. If it's a PDF, if it's a JPEG, if you've just taken a picture with your phone, you'll be able to just submit it this way as well as a JPEG, and then I'll be able to open it up and zoom in if I have to. But just upload it and then save the changes. Now I want you to do that for the note-taking assignment, but also if you can do that for the monthly challenge, the 30-day challenge. You can see the 30-day challenge is over here, but it's also on the home page. Just so that I can see ahead, just submit it so that we can see just that weekly schedule and that 30-day schedule, the 30-day monthly schedule. Just show us September and October right here at the very top. Weekly schedule, the same process. Jump in, add a submission. Just upload that document. Just upload that JPEG that you've taken with your phone. Email it to yourself or do it straight on your phone and submit it. Pretty straightforward, guys. That's all I think I'm going to have. Nope, one more thing. We want to be submitting our weekly self-assessment. This weekly self-assessment, I've asked you to do it on Thursdays. Get to study hall, jump on. I'll keep reminding you guys. As it's a small thing to do just weekly, but the purpose of it is just to go through and answer these questions. What it will do is it will help you reflect on the week, but it'll also give you a little bit of a boost or a little bit more direction, saying, you know what, I'm really on target, I'm crushing it this week, I'm going to keep going. And then you just crush Thursday and you can crush Friday when you don't actually have study hall going into the weekend. Or if you notice, hey, you know what, I've been slacking a little bit this week, I haven't been as effective as I know I can be, I'm going to do something right now. So it just has that quick quick reflection saying, am I doing, what am I moving towards my goals, or am I moving away from my goals? What I'm really trying to say. Had a little difficulty trying to get that out. Again, I really appreciate the time watching this, guys. Get in those note-taking assignments and get in that monthly calendar and the weekly schedule. And I'll see you guys next week. And for the 7 or 8 of you that I got left, I'll be calling you guys out on Monday and maybe Tuesday. Hopefully we'll get it all done on Monday. See you guys then. Thanks a lot.